Welcome to the MERTS instructional video to add new or modify a direct or in-kind contribution as a loan. A direct contribution is a loan of money contributed to the committee where the contributor expects repayment. An in-kind contribution is a loan of goods and services contributed to the committee where the contributor expects repayment. To begin entering a loan, first select the appropriate report from the Reports tab. Select the Transaction Guide icon from the toolbar. Select Loans Direct and In-Kind from the Contributions Loans section. This will prompt a direct contribution loan information window. Select the name from the Name drop-down list. If the name has not yet been entered, select Add Name and enter the contributor's information. Enter the date the loan was made to the committee by selecting the date from the calendar provided, or by manually keying the date. Please note that you cannot select or key in a date that is outside of the coverage period for the selected report. Enter the amount of the loan. Description is a required field. If this was a loan of goods and services, select In Kind. If this in-kind loan was received for a fundraising event held by your committee, select the fundraiser from the drop-down list, or select Add Fundraiser to create a new event. If this was purchased from a vendor, select the vendor, or select Add Vendor. Select Not in Kind to continue entering a direct loan. Once all required information has been entered, the following options will become available. Next will allow you to continue adding loans. Clone will allow you to add a loan of the same amount, description, and fundraising event. Cancel will exit the guide without saving the record. OK will save the record and return to the Reports tab. Incoming committee receipts will allow you to switch to a different type of receipt. Outgoing committee expenses will allow you to switch to expenditures. For quick access to the MERTS User Guide, Candidate Manual, or the MERTS Video Library, refer to the Manual User Guide tab or select the Video tab. Select OK to continue. To modify an existing transaction, open the All Transactions tab by selecting View from the toolbar and selecting All Transactions. Locate the record you wish to modify and click once to highlight the transaction. Select the Modify icon on the toolbar or right-click and choose Modify from the submenu. Make the changes and select OK to save and exit. A verification window will appear asking if you are sure you would like to modify or amend the selected object. Select Yes to continue or No to cancel. Please note, transactions within a closed report cannot be modified. You must right-click on the transaction you wish to modify and select Amend to make the change to the transaction. To delete transactions, select the Delete Item icon on the toolbar, or right-click on the transaction and choose Delete from the submenu. Please note that transactions within a closed report cannot be deleted. To remove a transaction from a previously filed report, right-click on the transaction and select D-Report to remove. The original transaction will be removed from the report but will continue to show in the All Transactions tab and will be grayed out. Be sure to save and back up the committee MERTS file each day. For additional assistance, visit the MERTS website at www.mertsplus.com. Thank you.